Replace your modern wipers or upgrade the wiper performance of an older vehicle with Tridon Flexblade replacement windscreen wipers. Flexblade is the latest in European wiper technology, a style of windscreen wiper that is commonplace on more vehicles every year. Flexblade replaces the traditional steel blade frame with a unique flexor strip, which delivers perfect even pressure across the entire length of the wiper. This design also lends itself to improved aerodynamics, so your wipers will stick to the screen just as well at highway speeds. For the wiper edge, natural rubber ensures smooth, low-noise performance. In other areas, synthetic rubber offers extended life and forms a protective coating over the Flexblade assembly. These advanced compounds protect your wipers from ultraviolet radiation. The Tridon Flexblade wiper range is available to suit 5 common arm styles, including side lock, top lock pinch tab or push button, and hook fitting. The hook fitting is common to most vehicles using standard wiper blades. This makes it possible to upgrade many older wiper setups in line with modern-day vehicles. So when your current wipers have done their day, choose Tridon Flexblade replacement wipers for better vision and unbeatable service life.